Not too many years ago, a log home was considered an oddity, a playhouse, good only for a hunting cabin or simple vacation lodge. But my, oh my, how things have changed. Yesterday's primitive manufacturing methods have given way to highly sophisticated techniques and high-dollar machinery. Designs are no longer sketches on a lunchroom napkin, but rather dynamic computer-assisted designs with all the innovations and features of today's most modern conventional homes and more. Over the past 10 to 15 years, log home construction has steadily increased and now represents a nice percentage of the home building market. There are hundreds of log home companies in business today, and it can be hard choosing the right one. Bruce Ward pioneered the manufactured log home industry when he founded Ward Cabin Company in 1923. For more than 65 years, Ward Cabin Company, now known as Ward Log Homes, has remained a family-owned business and continues to set the pace for all other log home companies. Today, Ward Log Homes enjoys great success under the direction of Michael and John McLaughlin, operating out of its modern plant on this 35-acre site in Holton, Maine. With this modern manufacturing plant, Ward Log Homes offers you a full-service facility. We use northern white cedar exclusively for our wall logs. White cedar offers better dimensional stability and insulation properties than other types of wood used in log homes. We maintain a full year's inventory of cedar logs to facilitate better drying and curing. We also keep 9 months' supply of sawn stock on hand for further drying and to enable us to offer quick delivery as needed. Unlike many log home companies, we do all our own sawing, from slashing logs in the yard to cutting square cants in our specially designed sawmill. Quality assurance is under our direct supervision. We do not use outside contractors to supply our cedar needs. Finish planing, tongue and groove milling, and wall log grading are handled in our newly expanded planing facility under the direction of mill operators with many years of log home experience. All our wall log components are pre-cut to specified length and dadoed in our cutting building. Gables are pre-assembled in our plant. Each piece is custom fitted and numbered so the gables go together perfectly in the field. This precision system eliminates your on-site cutting, which saves construction time, and that translates into more profit for you. As a builder, you may be concerned about design. Years ago, a customer had to choose from a small selection of pre-drawn plans. Today, we at Ward Log Homes offer you and your customer a complete engineering and design service using the latest in architecture and plan layout techniques. In this age of log home building, almost every home we supply is custom designed to the homeowner's specifications. As part of our service, we supply you all the working drawings necessary for the complete project. Another concern you, the builder, may have is that if your customer buys a log home package from us, you stand to lose any markup you might have on the materials used in the home. At Ward Log Homes, nothing could be farther from the truth. Our program provides you as much profit as your conventional home would, and perhaps even a bit more. In addition, your customer buys the home package from us. This takes pressure off your credit line and helps you keep in step with your draw schedule. Remember, when you work with Ward Log Homes, you're not working with a jobber. You're working with the source. If you're a serious builder and you want to increase your building market share, we need to talk now. For more information on how you can have your share of the log home market without investment or obligation, call Roy Sharp, 1-800-476-WARD. Ward Log Homes. Your log home source since 1923.